Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Efe, and in this video I am going to show you how to trade cryptocurrencies on a decentralized exchange. For those of you who don't know, a decentralized exchange is a peer-to-peer marketplace where transactions are carried out directly between crypto traders. And this kind of exchange functions with automated algorithms, also known as smart contracts. Before you can use a decentralized exchange, you need to have a decentralized wallet. These kind of wallets are independent wallets. An example of a decentralized wallet is Trust Wallet. This right here is one of the most common decentralized wallets that you can use in the crypto space. You can also use Metamask. Now this is another good crypto wallet that you can use with a decentralized exchange. In this video, I am going to use the Metamask Chrome extension, and the decentralized exchange that I am going to use for my trades in this video is Liquidity Protocol. This is Liquidity Protocol, a decentralized exchange that you can trade futures contracts and options. I am going to walk you through different sections right here of this exchange. But before I start, I would like to let you know that this video is sponsored by Liquidity Protocol. You should know that the content of this video is not financial advice. As I am not a financial advisor, always do your own research on platforms such as this. With that said, now let's jump right into this video. The main reason I use a decentralized exchange is because it does not require KYC. When using this Liquidity Protocol, you would not be asked to input any personal information, unlike other central exchanges that require your email and other proof of identity. So I would go ahead and click on this. This right here is how the exchange looks like. And as you can see, we are on the Futures tab. Just like any other exchange, you can see the price chart of the asset you are looking at. And currently, I am on the BTC USD price chart. If you click on this, you would see that there are various assets right here that you can trade. So you can click on any of these and open a position. But before you start trading, let me show you how to connect a decentralized wallet to this exchange. Before you connect any wallet, you have to select the network you want to use. If you go to this section, you click on this. These are the different networks that you can use. But in this video, I am going to use the Smart Chain network. And when you want to connect your wallet, you go over to this section right here. This would prompt the different wallets that you can use with this exchange. The first option right here, Metamask, is what we are going to use in this video. If you don't know how to set up Metamask Wallet, all you have to do is download Metamask right here, or you can use the Chrome extension on PC. Once you have created your Metamask Wallet, this is exactly how it would look like. And before you start using this wallet with a decentralized exchange, make sure to check the network that you are using. If I go to the top right here, you can add various networks manually. You would have to click on this. You are going to be directed to this page where you can input the network you want to use. These are the basic details that you are going to need to integrate Metamask with the Smart Chain network. I would leave a link to this page in the description of this video. Once you've copied all this information, this is exactly how it would look like in your Metamask wallet. And once you are done, you can go ahead and save this network to your Metamask. There is one thing you need to know. Before you can start using the Smart Chain network to make transactions with your Metamask wallet, you need to have BNB present in your wallet. And to do this, you can easily copy the address at this top section right here and paste it in the centralized exchange that you are using. Make sure to select the BSC network before making any transaction. Once you have gotten BNB present in your wallet, now let's go over to the decentralized exchange where I would show you how to place a trade. To get started, I would first have to deposit BNB. I would have to click on deposit, and you can see my available balance right here. You can manually input the amount that you want to deposit, or you can use these percentage representations. Right now, I am going to use 25%. The next step would be to click on deposit. This would prompt up my Metamask wallet, and I would be asked to confirm this transaction. Right now, I have deposited BNB into this exchange, and I can start trading. When you look at this section right here, you would see your account info. And if I want to enter a trade, I would have to scroll down. Right here is where I can enter a long position or a short position. This is similar to the way you trade on a centralized exchange. The only difference right here is that you don't have various order types. And that is one of the disadvantages of using this platform. You cannot use limit orders or stop limit. So if I was to enter a long position right now, it would be executed at market price. When you want to put in a trade, you only have to select the quantity you want to trade. I am going to click on 50% and show you an example of how to enter this trade. This right here is the information of my trade, and you can also click the advanced settings right here and adjust the slippage tolerance. This should remain at 0.1, and if you want to place a trade, you can basically click on buy long right here. And if you want to enter a short position, it is also the same process. If I scroll up, I would click on sell right here, input the amount I want to use and trade. The next step would be to click on short right here. This would give me the summary of my trade. You can go ahead and click on sell short. I can confirm the transaction right here. You can see right now my transaction has been confirmed and my position has been opened. This is my short position. I entered at around this level with a margin of 10.25. My liquidation price is at this level, and if you want to close your trade, you can easily do so at this section. You click on close right here and confirm this. My transaction has been confirmed and my trade has been closed. When you are using this decentralized exchange, there is no display of the order books because, like I said, this exchange only use market orders. That's why there is no need for a display of order books. Now, this is what you need to know before you can use this exchange to trade futures. Now, let's go over to other sections on this decentralized exchange. This right here is the liquidity pool section of this exchange. There are different sections right here, and you can stake in any of these pools and make consistent profits depending on the APY. You can see right here that the APY for this pool is 35%. So what this means is that you would make 35% of your initial stake in this pool for the duration of 12 months. And this goes for all other pools that you can see in this pool section. This is a good way to make consistent profit over time using this decentralized exchange. You can also click on this section right here. If I want to stake, I can go ahead and click on stake, and I can simply add liquidity into this pool. If you want to create the liquidity pool token, you have to do so in PancakeSwap. All you need to do is click on trade right here and liquidity. This is where you can add liquidity for the DERI token and BUSD. If I click on add liquidity, I can select the currency I want to trade right here. The next step would be to add BUSD. And that's it. This is the simple, easy step to add liquidity on PancakeSwap. You can then stake your tokens on the DERI protocol platform. So this is what you need to know about this section. Now let's go over to the options tab right here. This is where you can trade options. I know that most of you are not familiar with options trading, and I am not going to talk much about this section as it is more complex than futures trading, and you would need more knowledge to trade options. There are different types of trading on this decentralized exchange. If you want to buy this DERI token, you can do so in these exchanges, and you can easily add this token to your Metamask wallet. You click on this right here. You would see that the DERI token has been added to my Metamask wallet. Currently, this would be on the Smart Chain network. And if I want to transfer my DERI token from the Smart Chain network to the Ethereum network, I would do so by using a bridge. If I click on this section right here, you can easily transfer your DERI token from one network to another. You can select the network you want to transfer. If I click on BNB chain, and I can transfer DERI token from Smart Chain network to Ethereum network. So this is basically what you need to know about this section. Before I end this video, I would like for you to do your own research on this platform to understand if this kind of trading is meant for you. Not everyone likes to use a decentralized exchange, but if you understand the advantages and disadvantages, decide for yourself if this is what you want to use for trading. With that said, this is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this kind of content, and if you did, you can please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. This is going to be it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.